All right, what's up, guys? We're here today to show you how not to skate at the skate park.
No way, you missed the ollie. Yeah!
Yeah! Let's do it, Milpitas.
How was that?
Wow.
Was that better?
Yeah, this took me back to when I was a young buck going off the top rope right here.
I kind of want to do this. Stable.
Yeah.
Land City right there.
Oh, hey. Whoa, guys. Look at this cool skate obstacle I found.
Whoa! Where
Let's
did you
get it.
come from?
Whoa!
I actually can't believe you just did that.
First try, right here.
Dang. Here.
Top tier quality entertainment.
You think that people can tell that we all had to take acting classes before we got hired here?
Yeah, improv class.
Yep.
All right, I found a spot. Oh, we got one.
It's actually sketchy. Going into the
Oh, dude, it is caving in. Oh!
That's probably why people don't really skate.
That is, oh my gosh, there's
He done broke
a
it.
colony of ants.
What is this, a skate park for ants? Forget I found this spot.
Oh no, we gotta finish it now. All right, come on, give me an intro, Dan. Improv
Well,
skills.
look at, he's got the Mario guy, so we got the mushroom thing, and he got to step on it and get taller or bigger or what, I don't know.
I wish I could just eat some shiitake mushrooms just to grow tall. That'd be great.
You heard it here first, folks. Hey, I'll play you skate, Chris.
All right, let's go.
All right, come over to the
Where you
spot.
going?
It's right here.
Oh, sick.
It's in the woods. Oh, you got a spot?
Well, let's rock.
Rock, paper, scissors?
All right, now I'm gonna change.
Oh, you got me. Okay, you first.
Ollie?
90.
Oh.
Are these plants poisonous?
No.
I'm gonna hit a kickflip.
Uzi, I can't see your board.
Oh, his is way bigger.
Are these poisonous?
Oh.
Dang. All right, one more.
Oh.
Oh, man down.
Dude, there's spiky bushes somewhere. Hey, you can't do that.
Whoa, 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 don't groove.
Hey, whoa. Those are, someone planted those weeds.
12 hours later. There's a bunch of fuzz over there. What's going on?
Dang.
Whoa, there's a circle right here.
That's a land.
I can't see a single thing. You're really disguised back there.
All right, I'm gonna miss this and I'm gonna be glad because I do not want to go into the spiked bushes.
Oh, okay.
Good game, no heel flip. Look, my board got spiked. I think we
I would
move
say
on.
this is definitely how not to skate a skate park.
I would say that.
Dude, you were skating on that?
Should we hit a quick narrow challenge?
That is sketchy. Where's the narrow challenge?
Right there.
Definitely
All
don't
right,
skate it
number, whatever number we're on, we got drum roll. Can you give me a drum roll somewhere? The narrow challenge.
Oh, that's. You're in a kicky?
like that. Oh!
That was shit.
That's gnarly, brother.
Oh, 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 no! Dang.
Look, my feet haven't moved.
Come on, man. Dang, Rick, that's looking sketch.
Please be careful. Oh, that was.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Oh. Luckily, you got some nice flat ground right here, Rick.
That's very true.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
That is very sketchy.
Why are you doing it already? Number, what number are we on right now?
We're not really doing numbers. We're kind of just going.
Okay, sitting on your butt, rolling through the park. It's what you don't want to do.
How was that, Chris?
Not recommended.
Oh! Oh!
I lost control.
You're an inspiration. Oh! Dang, you killed it, bro.
I'm out. Good sesh. The next number we're on. The shuffle. I'm not sure if that was like, yeah! Woo!
That was really impressive. Oh! Dang. And that is how not to skate.
Not to skate the pole down.
Rick, you almost got impaled.
There's no wax on it.
Oh my gosh. Are you good?
You almost got, what gets a iron stake through the, silver stake through the heart or whatever, vampire?
Barbarian abduction.
He almost got werewolf.
I don't think it was designed to go this way. Look at this right here.
No, you got that.
Should I do it?
Yeah. Is this also how not to skate a pole jam?
I mean, it's kind of like a normal pole jam.
Alright, I don't know if this is against the rules, etiquette of skate parks, but we're gonna throw it in there. You make your own roll-in, mega ramp roll-in right here.
Oh. Go up it!
Oh. Alright, I think the next... Dude. Send it! Did he even use it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I mean it did. Oh. Alright.
It's just hitting straight coping. Might have landed it though, that's cool.
You got hit the double jump.
Oh.
This skate park's out to get Rick today. Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, it almost landed back in. That was sick.
It landed right in the water.
Hey, for people watching, this is literally 30 seconds after this. I should have my hat for this one, but this one is all-terrain, brother. You know what? Everyone may frown upon all-terrain, but I think we kind of support it over here.
It's the funnest thing I've ever done at the skate park.
The next one is using stunt doubles. That's not allowed. You can't use stunt doubles. I'm gonna use my boy Coney. I didn't really want to hit this gap, so I'm having him do it. And I might take out someone, so Coney, you got this. He has my eyes. Hey, I'm gonna send this board down there, so just heads up. Coney Hawk.
Oh!
Almost had it.
You gotta land that.
Coney Hawk.
Coney Hawk in the flesh.
Yeah.
Coney Hawk.
Coney Hawk is run by scooters, I'm pretty sure. Isn't that sick? Binding the worlds together.
Dang! Coney Hawk is getting bodied. Dang. You know what's funny is it kind of falls like a person. Mowgli, it kind of looks like you when you fall.
Coney Hawk's feeling a little out of it today. He's not sticking it, so we got his younger brother, little Coney Hawk. He's gonna land it right here for us. Oh no! Ah. Nope.
landed. It did a heel flip and landed. Let's go. That is how to skate the skate park.
All right, McNug got us on the next one. Skating up the handrail.
Dang, Glow. Dang. Oh, wait, dude, what the heck? Oh! Oh! Oh, that's crazy. Does Mowgli have his back, though? Whoa!
That was sick.
Woo! Oh! Woo! Damn, Chris.
Thank you for skating with me, because I was over it, and then and then he started doing tricks. I'm like, okay, sick. One of my teammates is skating with me. I'm gonna power through.
That was
I didn't even
amazing.
want to do this because that's not how you're supposed to skate at skate park. You're supposed to go down it. But apparently, God was like, you need grasshopper legs. I'm gonna let you jump really high when you're older. So now I can go up rails. But yeah, I battled, got it, and that's pretty much it.
Now Mowgli's got your back.
Yeah. Tray flip right here, double set, 2 flat. That is why he's pro, right there. Picture perfect. Down the double set. Made it look easy. Going fast. Bolts.
All right, everyone, that was how not to skate the skate park. Obviously, this video was just us having some fun. You can go to the skate park, skate it however you want. Don't let us tell you what to do. Don't let anyone else tell you what to do. When you're on your skateboard, you can do whatever you want. Go out, have a good time. Some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And don't forget to learn how to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need with our Braille Army Plus membership. And also, leave it in the comments below. What was your favorite way to not skate a skate park the correct way?